Hello, my dear tuties. Welcome back again to Ma'am T's Corner. So this time, what I would like to teach you is an AI that would help you or would assist you with your research. Are you having a hard time searching for the review of related literature and studies for your research? So ito ang makakatulong sa inyo, promise. Because I used it already. Now, ano lang ang gagawin mo? You are just going to sign up and it's free. Okay, you will just be asked, where did you get the information of this AI? Okay, ilalagay mo kung saan ka connected, and then ilalagay mo yung iba't iba pang information, what are you researching, and so on and so forth. And then after finishing that, then that's it. You will just type your SOPs or statement of the problems, and then after typing it, all the references that has something to do with the questions that you have encoded will pop up. Okay, lahat yan papasok. Okay, and then you will just read the summary of each. Naka-tabular form yan. Here is the title, and then the author, and then the DOI, or the Digital Object Identifier. So, yan lang naman yung ika-copy-paste mo. Tapos, pag i-search mo, ilagay mo siya sa Google Scholar, lalabas na kung ano yung title, at lalabas na yung kabuuan ng study. Pero itong AI na to, ang gagawin lang niya is to summarize it. And then after that, pwede mo rin siyang hingan kung ano ang result ng study. So, but you know what guys, ayokong ituro sa inyo na maging, hindi ko kayo tinuturuan na maging tamad, pero I am just teaching you the easiest way kung paano tayo makakapaghanap ng review of related literature and studies. Okay? So, I kept on telling my students that you should not consider AI as your master. Okay? Kailangan mo pa rin gamitin yung sarili mong utak, okay, para mabuo yung konsepto na may pinagkunan ka galing sa different references na ibinigay sa'yo ng AI na ito. Okay, so anong gagawin? Itatype mo lang yung SOPs. Pag na-type mo na siya, maglalabasan ng iba't ibang references at iba't ibang research provided with the summary. Tapos pwede ka pang mag-ask, ano ang result of the study? Okay, meron pang conclusion, 'di ba? So, hindi mo na kailangang basahin lahat ng detalye ng research na 'yon. You just need to read the summary, and you know what? Basahin mo yung summary, kunin mo yung result, at basahin mo yung buong study, yun at yun talaga ang lalabas. Okay? So, malaking tulong talaga siya. So, again, this AI is illicit.com. So, if you'll be asking me, ma'am, is it free? Free siya kung basic lamang ang gagamitin mo. Pero kapag deeper pa ang hinahanap mo, then that's the time that you are going to pay or you are going to purchase. Okay? Pero you know what? Ang ginagamit ko lang sa study ko ay yung free, yung basic. Diba? Siyempre, tipid-tipid din. Okay? So, ang ginawa ko lang doon, ano ba yung mga questions na nagagamitin ko sa aking study. And then, maglalabasa na yan. Tapos, I will read the summary. And then I will get the result. And then after, I'll be using my own words in explaining this study, this research that has connection with mine. Okay, so ganun lang naman. So I hope you guys learned from this. I hope makatulong sa inyong pagpapabilis ng pagsusulat. Again, the AI, okay, the AI is illicit.com. So follow for more. And thank you for watching. God bless you all.